This is day 7 and is our official tour of the Lake District. I've taken a lot of off the bike, so I'm actually quite excited to ride a bike normally for once. So first stop is Ambleside, and then it's on to Derwent Water and then Ullswater. Yes, we went to a lot of these places yesterday, and I think we'll be doing Kirkstone Pass again as well. But I mean, those roads were some of the best roads I've ever been on, so I really don't mind doing them again. Maybe that was where I wanted to go. No, maybe this is where I want to go. There's only 2 parking spots. Maybe I can do something cheeky. That is cheeky. Except for the wood chipper and at times the insane wind. It's very nice just chilling by the lake for a bit and drinking a little cold coffee, surrounded by ducks and man in a little jetty thing. Speedboat? Speed? Air float? So Derwent Water, we were actually there yesterday, but we have a nice little hidden find to go to today called, well, it's just a car park, but it's called a surprise view car park, and hopefully the view's going to be quite surprising, hopefully in a good way. Rain didn't say it was going to rain today. Both the BBC and the Met Office said, yep, sun, you'll have a great time today, Adam. Enjoy it. Enjoy the sun. Looks steep. God, I do not want to meet a car coming the other way. And I'm very happy going up this that I'm not fully laden with all my I wonder, it's probably a terrible idea. It would be epic if I could go there. I reckon I can do it. Yeah, because I can spin around there. Is this a mistake? Probably. There we go. There we go. Well, this is Lake Derwent. Stunning from up here. That's word of the day and word of the trip. Stunning. But that was a surprising view, a very good surprising view. And I didn't clean my windscreen again, and I didn't check the weather either, so I don't know what's happening there. I think for now let's just worry about making it down this mountain. Oh, thank you. I'm in a very different mood to yesterday. I would have been just wanting to try and blitz past all this as quickly as possible, but I don't know if I can be bothered with that today. Give it a couple of minutes though and I'll get bored. I'm bored. Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Well, we have just pulled over in this lay-by because the GoPro was acting up, not recording, doing lots of beeping. Let's be on our way to our next stop. Next stop, which is Ullswater. That van is going f***ing fast. I hate this, makes me feel so uncomfortable just sat here. Now, last time I was here, which was yesterday, there were some nice little kind of like bays out by the water's edge, which would be perfect to park on, so look for that type of situation. If not, I should have a place already plugged into the sat-nav that's a good place to see it from. this a spot? This is a spot. Oh, that is a spot. Oh, that's f***ing perfect. Where's my glove? There it is. Don't want to drop it down there. Yeah, I don't really want to be stood here in case anyone comes absolutely steaming around this corner too fast and just clatters into me stood here. So let's carry on. That's all the stops we planned to do today, and sad to say, but we are done with the Lake District now. Day 7 was supposed to be a chill one, and it was a chill one, and to be fair, I think I've needed it after the last 3-4 days of some pretty serious mileage. So we're just plotted the route back to the B&B. I think it will take us on Kirkstone Pass again, and we are going to stop at a BP before the BNB, and I'm going to say no more stops unless we see something spectacular. I mean, this is pretty spectacular. Unless we see something ultra spectacular, because to be honest, the whole of the Lake District is pretty spectacular. Oh, this wind. Don't think I'm going to enjoy this as much as I enjoyed it yesterday. It's really it's really windy. Oh my god, unenjoyably windy. Maybe we'll just cut this here, because I might just chill up this one today. Oh my god, that could have been an incredibly expensive mistake. Jesus Christ, Adam. Let's not do that again. Okay, 17 minutes. Back to Kendal.